Hey there, everybody. Well, Monster Bass sent us a bag, and they usually send us boxes. So when I got the bag, I was like, what's Monster Bass cheaping out? I don't know. So let's open it up. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be getting a box or what, but this is what I got so far. I think this is in place of the bag or the box. So let's open her up and see what's inside, shall we? All right. So I believe this is the March Monster Bass, what should have been the box, but now it's a bag. And guess what? It is a bag. It's a bag. Okay. I believe this bag is to put our soft baits in, which is kind of cool. Interesting. They have our baits inside here. Let's see what they gave us. All right, so there's that nice clear bag. That's going to be kind of nice to just be able to kind of throw in your... got a lot of static. That'd be nice to just kind of throw around, I guess, if you wanted to just quick go out to the river and have a couple of soft baits, you can just kind of throw them in there. No handles or anything like that on there, but you could definitely be able to see right in there and see your baits. So let's see some of the things they gave us. Oh, they gave us a BAAAGG spinner bait. I love spinner baits. This is a smaller size, which is great. I'm very pleased with that one. Oh, they're right down in our, this is our line here. Got a chatter style bait. This is a Guggen Squad. Haven't had any luck with the Guggen Squad baits as of yet, but I'm always willing to give everything a shot. It's a pretty nice size bait. This is what they call a click bait. So it's got a bigger blade than the jackhammers and the chatter baits. So kind of curious to see how that works. We have a crankbait here, and that's got quite a body on it, if you can see that there. And that's made by Kingfisher, and they're called the Kingfisher Freak. We'll give that a whirl. And, oh, what do we have here? Ah, I could have used this today. Did some fishing today. Today was beautiful. It was like 50 degrees out, sun shining, all excited. We get out there, and it goes down to about 35 degrees and starts snowing. I mean, who would have thought? The weather forecast didn't say that at all. This looks like, I'm not really sure what this is. I think this is a gator. Yeah, it's a gator. All right, so that's a gator for our neck, to keep our neck warm. So that's kind of cool. Let's see what else we got. Got two soft plastics here. We got a finesse shad, and then we also got an X-Zone minnow. So these are great for drop shots, and that's exactly what they're thinking here, because on the terminal tackle, they gave us some drop shot hooks, and they gave us some Monster Bass drop shot weights, which are tungsten. And the tungsten weights, I got to be honest with you, as far as the difference in size to lead, the tungsten weights are really the way to go. You can get such a better feel on the tungsten. So thank you, Monster Bass. Appreciate that. They didn't really set us up with any trailers for either the chatterbait, or I should say the clickbait, or the spinnerbait. Now, I suppose you could use this finesse shad and use that as a trailer if you'd like. I suppose you could even use it on your X-Zone as well. Usually they're pretty consistent on giving us trailers with or items that match up. We didn't get any kind of book this time, so a little bit different packaging. I'd say I like it. It's some cool stuff. It's a little different than what we're used to. We're used to getting that box, you know, our charts and our moon phases. So I'm kind of missing out on that a little bit. But overall, I think we got a nice package here. Keep your eyes out for the Monsterbass Bag on this one, not the Monsterbass box. So thanks, Monsterbass. Appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.